How to unblock all games on a school Chromebook. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this you will just have to open up this website called algebrahelper.net. Just simply search for it from your browser and type in your search bar as www.algebrahelper.net/games/ and you will be able to play all these games. And if you want to play some more games, then simply search for yandex.com, and over here you will find plenty of more games. And now if you want to play some other games like Roblox, then simply search for rubynetwork.tech and click enter, and this way you will be able to open up this proxy server, and over here you can type Roblox or any other website for that matter and simply hit enter, and this way you will be able to unblock every single website out there, and this is the best way available right now. I hope this works for you. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.